Welcome to Cache Creek Casino Resort. This week, I'm staying in a South Tower Executive Corner Suite. Come on inside, let's take a look. Gigantic entryway. A very spacious wet bar. And a nice half bath for your guests. Spacious living room. And there's my favorite little tree. Let's check out the master bedroom. In this executive corner suite, the windows face both the mountainside and the view of the beautiful Capay Valley. Plenty of lights and outlets near the bed. Look at that gorgeous pool. And nice little work desk. Complimentary robes for your stay. A good-sized makeup area. Nice double sinks. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and click that bell so you'll get immediate notifications when I release a new video. If you want to see more suite tours, click right here. If you want to see me go downstairs and gamble, click here.